Want to split a PDF into more PDFs on your phone? In this Essential Phone tutorial, we'll learn how to split a PDF on your phone, whether you use Android or iPhone. We'll show you how to extract pages from a PDF and separate PDF pages into new files using free and simple methods. This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to split a PDF on your phone, you will need to use a free online tool, as phones don't have a built-in feature. You can open your phone's web browser and search for a service like I Love PDF, or simply search Split PDF online and tap on I Love PDF site. You can also use Small PDF or other free PDF splitter sites. The site will ask me to select my file. I will tap the Select PDF File button. This will open my phone's file browser. I'll navigate to my Downloads folder and select my large PDF file. Now, the site has uploaded my file and gives me options. Tap on the settings icon. The main option is Split by Range. This lets me manually select which pages I want. You can add multiple ranges. I will add a few to test this. You can also tap on the section Pages to extract every page as a new PDF file. If you tap on a size, it will try to make you PDFs that have that size. After you have finished configuring how you want to split the PDF, tap on Split PDF. The website will process this in just a few seconds, and it's done. It now gives me a Download Split PDF button. Finally, you will be able to download your newly created PDF files directly to your phone's storage. If you have created multiple PDF files, you will get an archive with all the PDF files. You will then need to extract the files, and then you can open them. And that's how you can split a PDF into more PDFs on your phone, using a simple and free online service to manage your documents anywhere. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.